I'll fight, I'll fight, I'll fight for you. I'll kill, I'll kill, I'll kill, I'll kill for you. I will, I will, I will. I'll go, I'll go, I'll go, I'll go for you. I'll fight, I'll fight, I'll fight, I'll fight for you. I'll die, I'll die, I'll die, I'll die for you. I will, I will, I will. And if I die, I'll die, I'll die alone on some forgotten hill. Will spring and spill, I'll thrash the air and then be still. You wake with the start from a dream and know that I'm gone. You feel it in your heart, but not for very long. You rise each day as planned, your will is your command. Stand each Sunday a hymnal steady in your hand. You'll sing to yourself the rising, falling melody that you could never read without the choir's lead. Still alone and lost indeed, and your soul will not be free. I will go, I will go, I will go into all its waters, I will wade. And I will know without remorse or regret the fairness of our trade. For you to live, I took your place, a deal was made and I was paid. And gold, as I was told, the place where my body could be laid.
Besterik gabe, mila esker eman dizkizuegu gure partez, guretzako egun hauek ikaragarriak izan dira, baina hemen ez da ezer amaitzen, etorkizunean epaiketa gehiago datoz, espetxerak eta arrisku gehiago etorri daitezke, eta hau izan behar du bidea. Hemendik aurrera gehiago izatea. Saiatzea ekiditen benetan, inor gehiago kartzea ez eramatea. Gu saiatuko dela gaur edo bihar edo etzi ekiditen. Hemen gaude jende pilo bat. 1200 esaten ari dira. Ikaragarria, ostegun gau bat. Baina nori. Hemen ez da zer amaitzen, etortzen badira armada guztiarekin, eutxiko diegu aldegun eginean, zoritxarrez eramaten baitute ez da ezer hemen amaitzen, kartzelak uste jarraitu behar dugu, baina jarraitu behar dugu borrokan, inor gehiago espetxean ez hartzeko. Eta hori da bidea, zuek zabete demostratzen, eta segi horretan. Mila esker guztioi, ondo noin, eta jotake!
I'll die alone like Jesus on the cross. My faith cannot be tossed, and my life will not be lost.